Good morning, fam. Imagine yourself at the edge of a new day, a quiet strength gathering with each breath. There's a weight you carried from yesterday, stiffness from rest, but today will take 5 minutes to release it, to wake up the muscles and the mind. Each stretch is a step, a moment to shake off the past and move forward with energy. Let's dive in and make these moments yours. Start by stepping your right foot forward into a low lunge, back foot grounded and turned out. Lift your arms to the sky, feeling energy rise from your feet up to your fingertips. Take a deep breath in, filling up, sink back into the lunge, and lift again. Each movement, a pulse of power. Switch to the left side after 30 seconds. Each rise gathers strength. Each lunge roots you in calm. You're warming up your legs, fueling your core, building the fire that will carry you through the day. Lower to your knees and sink back into child's pose. Forehead resting on the ground, arms reaching forward. This is your moment to connect, to feel grounded. Take a deep breath in, letting calm fill your body. Now, on your exhale, press forward into Cobra, chest open, eyes to the sky. Feel the strength in your spine as you rise, then sink back down. Move between these two, calm to power. Each transition creating a rhythm that brings energy to your back, shoulders, and core. You're waking up from the inside out, ready for whatever lies ahead. Press up into downward dog, feeling your hands root down, heels stretching toward the ground. Now lift your right leg, reaching it high, feeling the stretch lengthen through your hamstrings, your hips, your back. Hold steady, letting your breath create space through your body. Switch to the left leg, lifting it up, feeling that line of energy extend. You're finding balance, opening up, inviting freedom into every muscle. This stretch prepares you to stand tall and steady, ready to take on the day. Sit on your heels. Bring your right arm across your chest, holding it gently with your left hand. Feel the release in your shoulder, the loosening of tension that you didn't even realize was there. Breathe deeply, letting that openness spread through your upper body. Switch to the left side and feel the ease settling into your shoulders, your upper back. This stretch reminds you that you don't have to carry the weight of yesterday. You're here to start fresh, lighter, ready to move forward. End with a gentle stretch for your neck. Start by tilting your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Feel the pull through your neck and shoulder, the gentle release spreading across. Switch to the left side, letting the stretch deepen with each breath. This final stretch brings clarity and calm, helping you rise with a steady focus, a lightness that will guide you through the day. Fam, in just 5 minutes, you've eased your body, lifted your energy, and grounded your mind. But imagine what could come next. Dive into a home workout to build on this strength, or sink into a meditation to keep this calm with you. Whatever you choose, take this feeling forward, and let's make today incredible. I'll see you in the next session. Make sure to subscribe.